Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit sky photo to Aurora in EPIK Photo Editor. So in EPIK you can change the sky by using the effect. So I'm going to show you. You can just click on start editing and choose the photo that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I want to change okay, so this photo right here. So after you choose a photo, you can just go to effects and find sky, and to change it into Aurora you just need to click on the effect. So you can see there are so many options of sky that you can choose, but now I'm going to change it into Aurora. So just click on the effects, and here is the result. So you can just adjust it. You can adjust the opacity of the effects. You can also adjust the sky like this, and then the edge. So I'm going to change it into 0, and then you can also adjust the filter like this, and you can also adjust the gradations. And after that, when you're satisfied with the result, so here is the before and here is the after, before and after. And if you done, just click on save and it will be saved to your album. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.